does Meet Record specifically use AI to analyze sales conversations? And what are some specific patterns or insights that AI can reveal that the human analysis might miss?
Even let's say some of the stuff that you kind of listen in on the call while talking to a customer or prospect, you might think it is important, or you might think it's not important based on your understanding of the business or where you are in the sales process, right? But it's actually very important in terms of overall kind of deciding the course of action on that particular deal or opportunity, right? So that's where AI tools can come in, kind of really, Meet Record specifically does that, where it kind of picks out those specific points which a human eye might miss. So let's say typical sales conversations are between 30 to 45 minutes. It's very easy to miss a certain important points in those 45 minutes. And it's humanly not possible to kind of identify everything in that 45-minute discussion that you discussed, right? So that is one part with that definitely we see a kind of Meet Record is helping sales teams, and you have a live example what Tanner mentioned as well. And then other things that we have seen like human eye, and generally what happens is when you are that is something in terms of coaching. So when you're managing even let's say 5 sales reps or 10 sales reps, let's say, and every sales rep's doing a couple of meetings a day, imagine like 100 meetings in a week that a sales manager needs the attention of the sales manager, and it's practically impossible for any human to do that. And even if you have, let's say, if you pick out those specific meetings where which needs your attention, where exactly you should go to, right? Now, which part of the meeting does need your attention? You might just jump into hoops from one part of the meeting to another. So that's where AI kind of comes in. A Meet Record AI kind of comes in and kind of helps sales team to identify specific points in the meetings which they should pay attention to. And the third point, which I would like to highlight, is in terms of coaching itself, where let's say when you are giving scores to a, let's say, individual, most of the times, let's say, there is a human bias which comes in. Whereas when AI kind of analyzes that meeting and gives a score to that meeting, it's completely based on what the system is set or the process is set. So there is no human bias as such in terms of giving a coaching score. It's completely unbiased, and it's completely based on what the salesperson performed or how he or she kind of did in that meeting. So these are a few things we see. Coaching, one is one thing. Second is your reducing manual tasks, reducing human errors in the sales process.